Let's be serious though. Let's be serious for a sec. Like, let me just talk to you for a sec how I'd actually talk to you if you were here right now. I don't want you doing what you're doing anymore. I understand that I haven't been told this, but I'm gonna just put you straight on right now. I'm gonna put you straight on how I would live my life if I was you. Or what I do in my own life to push myself to achieve my goals more, to stay more focused, to be that guy, to really feel what I'm working towards, to manifest, to be a living manifestation of what I achieve to be, on how to really do that. Because we don't be told that enough. We get told in school how to do 2 + 2 and how that's equal to 4. We get told how the sine curve goes up and then goes down, how the cosine curve starts at 1. We get told basic biology. We get told that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. No one's ever going to tell you though on how to live your life and what to do to push yourself forward. So I'm going to just put you on straight up right now, quick video, just to get you there. That's what's up. So, I have my essentials on my non-negotiables in life to put yourself forward, to really get there and achieve what you want. Now, there's ups and there's downs. This is very similar to a non-negotiables monk mode, so I'm going to say that right there. A non-negotiable, this is similar to your monk mode. This is similar to monk mode that's been going around, but this is just my version of it. This is what I've been using to push myself forward. And I know what you look at on this channel. Yep, I have 2,000 subscribers on this channel, but I am making moves, I am moving forward, and I am achieving what I'm putting my mind to. So, you can take with what you want. You don't have to believe me, you don't have to trust me, but I'm giving you thoughtful information out here, and I'm giving it to you fruitfully. So, without further ado, here's the first one. This goes to both my females, this goes to my males. Number 1, porn disallowance. Do not watch porn. Stop watching porn. Stop fascinating on the idea of 2 people having sex or 1 person doing sexual activity to themselves, and focus on you and put your thoughts to where you actually want them to be. Your thoughts are powerful things. They're not just thoughts that go in your head. With the proper control of them, you can control them to where you want them to be. And that's eventually where we're heading towards. Right now, this is just the basics on how to get yourself in the state where you can actually do that. So number 1 is porn disallowance. The avoidance fully. In essence, you do not watch porn anymore. Porn does not exist in your world. You want to watch porn? No, you're not watching it. Number 1, that's what I'd say it is. Number 2, get 8 hours of sleep. Why would we want 8 hours of sleep? We want 8 hours of sleep because even Winston Churchill got 8 hours of sleep when he fought the Nazis in World War II. If he could get 8 hours of sleep, you can too. You need to be in the proper mindset, you need to be in the proper mood and the proper behaviors to get what you want. To do that, you need sleep, you need to eat properly, but more importantly, you need sleep just to start off with. That's why we need sleep right there. Your brain needs to recharge and do what it does, and I'm not a scientist, so I don't exactly know how that goes, and I'm not going to split knowledge like I know how it goes. That's just what I'm going to say like that. Number 3, you want to drink 4 glasses of water every single day. So this is 4 glasses of 750 milliliters of water. You need water in your system. You are like, I don't know what it is, but I think it's like 90% water, 80% water, 70% water or something. A lot of you is water, so you have to drink water to maintain that inside you. So do that. Get yourself proper. And I've been realizing that when I drink water, I think clearly. So drink water. Next one, eat a fruit a day. You want to have fruits in your diets. Fruits are natural from the earth. Everything is natural from the earth in essence, but fruits come straight from trees, and our ancestors have been eating them, and fruits will get you proper. They will get you exactly the nutrients that you need from the physical realm. Next one, exercise daily. So this might count as cardio. So running, jogging, walking, working out. So that can be with weights, that can be just push-ups, sit-ups, those weights, these weights, all the weights that you do, or this can be sports, this can be physical or non-physical sports, just stuff that get your mind right, get your body right, get you moving a bit. You need to move your body every single day. Next, meditate for 10 minutes daily. This is really important because you need to get your mind right. And to get your mind right, when you meditate, you clear your mind, and meditation has been proven to reduce anxiety, and that's just getting your mind straight, figuring out what you actually want. That's why I would do it. That's why I highly recommend meditating. Next is journaling daily. Write down your thoughts, your ideas, your feelings, your journey, your progress, your failures. Just being in tune with yourself and writing that down on physical paper, because that's extremely important in order to know on how to progress. You can see how your past progress, and in times of low motivation, you have something there for you to really push yourself forward. And finally, read books. For y'all, I'd say read a book a month. Read one book a month. Get yourself straight. Get yourself knowledge. Get yourself something that gets your mind moving, because you need your mind moving to properly move it towards your goals. You know, you got to put fuel in the gas in the car before you can really drive. So that's what's up. Those are my essentials to and non-negotiables on how to progress yourself into the proper human being that you are going to be. So I love you. Thank you for coming on this journey, and let's take over this year.